You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, and we'll be looking at how to say more names that are confusing like this one, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Immanuel. Immanuel is how you generally want to say it, although some might pronounce it also, especially in English-speaking languages and countries. Immanuel, Immanuel, or Immanuel. Immanuel is how I would generally say it. How do you say it? Let us know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, it helps a lot. And more videos for you to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.